Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
To effectively test your oxygen sensor, you'll need more than just a basic multimeter. For accurate results, especially with newer 2025 models, a professional scan tool capable of graphing live data or a digital oscilloscope is essential. These tools allow you to observe the sensor's real-time voltage output and response. They provide the detailed waveform analysis necessary to truly understand how your sensor is performing. Before you begin, always make sure the engine is fully warmed up. This is critical for the oxygen sensor to operate correctly. You'll need to locate the sensor itself, which is typically threaded into your exhaust system, either upstream, before the catalytic converter, or downstream, after it. For safety, if you're working with wiring connections, always disconnect the negative battery terminal first and let the engine cool down to avoid burns or electrical shorts. Once your engine is warm, connect your oscilloscope or advanced scan tool. The positive lead goes to the oxygen sensor's signal wire, and the negative lead attaches to a reliable chassis ground. Now, observe the live data feed. A properly functioning narrowband sensor should show a consistent, rapid waveform, cycling smoothly between roughly 1 volts and 9 volts. This indicates it's actively switching between rich and lean conditions, usually completing several cycles within 10 seconds. Interpreting your waveform is key. A good sensor displays rapid, consistent voltage changes, oscillating frequently, perhaps 1 Hz or more. If you see a slow, sluggish response, a waveform that remains flat, or voltage stuck consistently low, like 1V, or high, like 9V, your sensor is likely faulty. For instance, a sensor that reads a steady 45 volts without fluctuation is not providing useful feedback to your engine's computer, affecting fuel efficiency and emissions. Successfully testing your oxygen sensor using this waveform analysis method gives you an accurate diagnosis. This approach is far more reliable than basic voltage checks for identifying true sensor health. If your tests indicate a faulty sensor, prompt replacement is crucial to maintain your vehicle's fuel efficiency, reduce harmful emissions, and prevent other potential engine problems. Always confirm any wiring details with your car's service manual for the most precise information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.